A new round of technological and industrial revolution is reconstructing the world. The energy industry is also undergoing a profound revolution in production and consumption. In order to embrace such change, Sinopec Capital was founded in 2018 with 10 billion RMB initial paid-in registered capital. We seize strategic opportunities through financial investments. We focus on emerging industries, including new energy, new material, advanced intelligent manufacturing, energy conservation, and environmental protection, and big data and artificial intelligence. We serve as Sinopec's new engine to foster new momentum for transformation and sustainable development. Sinopec Capital believes that employees determine the future of the company. We adopt an international prevailing managing director (MD) system, as well as liberalized compensation, benefit, and promotion matrix. We implement mandatory employee follow-up investment mechanisms for shared benefits and risks to build a community of value creation for both employees and the company. Sinopec Capital longs for competent and professional colleagues who trust in the power of technology and capital. We expect you to firmly believe the company's future is also yours. Accompanied by a group of like-minded young talents, our business is gaining momentum towards prosperity. We are expecting more professionals to join us with keen market insights and diversified background. We would like to provide you with a broad platform, monumental vision, and strong support for career development, which will place you on the frontier of the industry to strive for unlimited prospects in your life. Greeting future, embracing change, technology-oriented, capital-empowered. Welcome to join us, Sinopec Capital.